Hi everybody, this is the... Excuse me. No. Right. Okay. Hi everybody, so we're gonna fix today um, Samsung Smart TV remote control. It wasn't working, and then yeah, I wasn't able to change the channels, and I was not able to do anything with this remote control. So after that, and I opened I take it out the battery first. Old battery, and after that, just you will press on the red button with a while. Press and release, press and release, and after that you will do the same thing with the other buttons. There's two, release, and the other buttons, all of them, each buttons, press and release, press and release, press and release, each button, press and release. Yeah, it's so simple. Press and release without the battery. Press and release, and then all of them the same way. Press and release, press and release. It's not complicated, so easy, only you need to know how to do. So today I teach you guys to how you can do and repair the remote control. Just push each one of the buttons, and yes, all is done, and put it back the battery same as before. Yeah, then this is the way, then cover back, and that's it. After that, my remote control start to work. So try it the same way, and you will start using again your remote control. So good luck, guys.